Hi everyone, this is Syed and welcome back to our channel Tech Hunter. In today's video, I'll show you how to free up your phone storage without deleting any important files and make your phone much faster. Let's get started. First, go to your phone's file manager. Check how much storage is used and how much is free. This will help you compare before and after. Open Google Play Store. Tap on your profile icon at the top. Scroll down and go to Help and Feedback. Then tap on Search, Help and Type. Delete. Click on Delete Apps on your Android device. Then go to App Settings. Here you'll see all your apps. Select any app, for example Chrome. Go to Storage. Clear Cache. Remember, do not tap on Clear Data. Only tap on Clear Cache. Tap on Facebook. Go to Storage. Clear Cache. Sometimes this can free up megabytes or even gigabytes of space. Open WhatsApp. Tap on three dots. Settings. Go to Storage and Data. Manage Storage. Here you will see unnecessary videos and photos. Select the files you don't need and delete them. This can free up several gigabytes of space. Tap and hold on YouTube or any app. Go to App Info. Storage. Clear Cache. Do the same for apps like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok. By following these steps, you can free up storage without deleting important files, improve your phone's speed, reduce lag and slow performance. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, comment how much storage you freed, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.
Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from Tech Hunter.